Security Analysis by Benjamin Graham and David L. Dodd is a seminal work in the field of investment and finance, first published in 1934 and revised several times since. This comprehensive book, often referred to as the Bible of value investing, lays the foundation for sound investment principles and has had a profound impact on the field of finance. The book is divided into several parts, each addressing various aspects of security analysis and investment strategies. 1. Introduction to investment. The authors begin by discussing the fundamental principles of investment, emphasizing the importance of thorough analysis before investing in any security. They introduce the concept of intrinsic value, which is the true worth of a security based on its underlying assets and earnings potential. 2. Investment versus speculation. Graham and Dodd make a clear distinction between investing and speculation. They stress the importance of approaching the market with a long-term, value-oriented perspective rather than trying to predict short-term price movements. 3. Market fluctuations. The authors delve into the reasons behind market fluctuations and advocate a rational approach to dealing with these fluctuations. They highlight the psychological factors that drive market behavior and how investors can benefit from understanding them. 4. The balance sheet. Graham and Dodd emphasize the importance of analyzing a company's balance sheet to assess its financial health and stability. They provide a detailed framework for evaluating a company's assets, liabilities, and equity. 5. Income statements. The authors discuss the income statement as a crucial tool for evaluating a company's profitability. They explain various financial ratios and metrics to assess a company's earnings and the sustainability of its profits. 6. Earnings and dividend stability. Graham and Dodd stress the importance of assessing the historical stability of a company's earnings and dividends. They provide guidelines for evaluating the consistency and predictability of these key financial metrics. 7. Long-term debt. This section covers the analysis of a company's long-term debt and its implications for investors. The authors discuss the risks associated with excessive debt and how to gauge a company's ability to meet its obligations. 8. Preferred and common stock. Graham and Dodd explain the characteristics of preferred and common stock and provide methods for valuing these types of securities. They also discuss the role of dividends in investment decisions. 9. Market price and intrinsic value. The central theme of the book revolves around the concept of intrinsic value. The authors argue that an investor should buy securities when their market price is significantly below their intrinsic value to ensure a margin of safety. 10. The margin of safety. Graham and Dodd introduce the concept of the margin of safety, which is the difference between the market price and the intrinsic value of a security. They argue that this margin is crucial to protect investors from the inherent uncertainties of the market. 11. Investment funds. The authors discuss the advantages and disadvantages of investing in investment funds, including mutual funds and investment trusts. They emphasize the importance of applying the same principles of security analysis to these funds. 12. Newer forms of investment. Graham and Dodd explore newer investment instruments, such as convertible securities and warrants, and provide insights into how to evaluate them. 13. Investment counsel functions and policies. This section focuses on the role of investment counselors and advisors. The authors outline the responsibilities and ethical considerations involved in providing investment advice. 14. The investor and market fluctuations. Graham and Dodd address the psychology of investing and how investors can avoid common pitfalls by maintaining a disciplined and rational approach. 15. Appendices. The book includes appendices that provide additional technical details and examples to support the concepts discussed throughout the book. In summary, Security Analysis by Benjamin Graham and David L. Dodd is a comprehensive guide to the principles of value investing. It emphasizes the importance of thorough analysis, a long-term perspective, and a margin of safety in investment decisions. This timeless classic has had a lasting impact on the world of finance and remains essential reading for investors seeking to build a solid foundation for successful investing.